Hi, welcome to Walgreens.
Hello.
That's a funny story.
What?
One time, me and him, we're door greeters at Walgreens for a day for no reason.
What is up, you guys? We're here today with Fetty, Gabe Cruz, Uzi. I think Carlos is over there somewhere, and
he's right here.
cross-country skis. So, Fetty, do you know what a cross-country ski is?
It's a ski that you take across the country.
Technically, all skis could be that then.
Yeah?
Daniel, do you know what a cross-country ski is?
Yeah.
What is it?
Those.
Gotcha.
My mind is blown. Ladies and gentlemen, he got me. All right, well, we have these two skis, and what we're gonna do today is skate them somehow. So I was thinking that we take... What did you just do to me?
It was with my
You
mind.
just vexed me. So what I'm thinking is that we'll take this plastic off, and then we will put them together like this, and we'll use the trucks to combine them.
What if you put them end to end like this?
Like this?
No, not like that. Never mind.
Fed, you know what I'm thinking, right?
I know what you were thinking and what he was thinking.
Oh. So what do you think is a better idea?
Yours.
Okay, let's do it. Here you go.
Comment down below what a cross-country ski is.
Yeah, I'm actually, while you're building it, I'm gonna look it up. Carlos, you're back.
Cross ski countries.
Siri, what are cross-country skis? Cross-country skiing is a form of skiing where skiers rely on their own locomotion to move across snow-covered terrain, rather than using ski lifts or other forms of assistance. So that means they climb...
Is that the one where they
That's
do
loco.
this, where they do that launch and it like turn into Nigel? Like, no? That's so cool. I thought it was
That's hidden.
That is...
Hitting the slope.
That is really sick, though.
Yeah, dude. I like that form. Just like,
Carlos, do you snowboard or ski?
I've never snowboarded or skied in my life.
I've been snowboarding 3 times.
I've went hiking in the mountains.
I just got a snowboard for Christmas.
You've never been either? Have you seen Street Sharks?
A land shark?
Street Sharks is old.
Oh.
That way it's easier to drill so they don't fall apart.
I bet you have
You're
seen
right.
this.
Did.
Oh, this sounds nice. Listen to this.
This sounds awful. Bet you never seen this though. Extreme Dinosaurs. I never seen that.
Extreme Dinosaurs? What in the heck is
That
this?
was sick, but that guy looks familiar. I remember this guy.
Dang, the skis are really durable. Can't even drill through them.
Extreme Dinosaurs, Daniel.
It's like when you pay with your credit card and you're not sure how much money is in your account. Did it go through?
Anyone skating today? I hope so. In Denver, they only eat Denver omelets. In Denver, omelets are just called omelets.
So wait, in California, why don't we have a California omelet?
Because we're not good enough. Go drill into the table there.
What is going on here? We're just waiting for this cross-country ski build to be done so we can do tricks on it. But in the meantime, Uzi and I are just contemplating our lives and what we are in this small, vast universe.
Have you ever skated a golf club?
That's a brilliant idea.
Double dropping?
I love golfing.
Oh, are we done? Wait, I thought we were doing trucks in the middle.
We're testing. Look how far I have to spread my legs to do that. It's so ridiculous.
Well, you want to break my skis.
You can kick with
I don't think that counts.
3 seconds.
This guy set up that ollie for literally a full minute.
This guy's got new legs or something.
Dude, I gotta figure this out.
You're skating it backwards. Okay, hold on. Uzi, can you real quick explain what is going on with your hand?
It's in a lot of pain and I don't want to touch it. I don't even want to think about touching it. So I've made this. It has 2 turtle shells, green turtle shells, then bubble wrap. And hopefully if I land on it, it will not stop working.
How did you fall that hard? Yes.
We out here.
Touch your back.
Oh, shove it off.
Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up.
Oh, he nailed that. Oh,
Yeah, be careful.
Scary.
Be careful, okay?
Oh!
I stand in the middle, they stand where the trucks is, we try to go down the bank all together.
I like this idea.
Let's do this.
I think we should do single roll in and then double and then triple.
Yeah, ollie north. That is so sketchy, dude. está haciendo? Means what are you doing in Spanish?
Carlos, I'd prefer if you didn't talk about my mother that way.
Ah! Think I speak Spanish?
You just didn't really hit the slopes at the right angle.
Oh, I didn't.
Carlos, jeez, Carlos. How he stayed on that, I'm not quite sure.
Barely hit level 1 and you're already at level 3.
You know, if I can go one day without that happening, I'd be the most graceful person.
I didn't realize you were going to be going so fast.
More speed.
More power! Like, that counts for sure.
Carlos is at 3. I just want to try level 2.
Not that much. Graduate!
Yeah, I don't really know any snow lingo.
You mean ski talk?
We should have did some research before this video.
Pitted, I believe.
Hey, I think this is more like level 4.
Why does it go bunny slope? Like is the easiest and black diamond is the hardest. Like those aren't even in the same category. Diamonds
I have
and
no idea
bunnies.
what he's talking about.
Because green is the easiest, right? Well, I know. Well, bunny slope, yeah. But like,
I've heard about hitting the slope.
besides that, then it's green, and then blue, and then no, and then there's blue. There's a blue. I'm actually incredibly impressed that you managed to almost roll away from that.
Thoroughly impressed.
Dude,
that was amazing.
That was really impressive. And then that happened.
Having fun.
You ever seen Avatar: The Last Airbender?
I don't know.
He looked like Aang.
I have no idea what you guys are talking about.
We need a push.
Oh no.
Okay, you can see back. See back, you're good. Yeah.
Okay. Gotta let the lightest person stand on the front. Get your feet set, Daniel.
I feel like the most vulnerable.
That's how I felt.
I can't stand on this either.
Go, go, go!
Just go. Stay on.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh! Uh-oh. This does not look right. You almost died.
I'm trying to throw down.
Oh no.
Go.
Oh yeah. How's it holding up?
That's great. It's a great build.
Wow! Yourself up for this one?
Yeah, I did.
Oh no! You got that. Oh! Oh my god!
He full yeeted. Wait. Okay, double drop him. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, dang it.
3, 2, 1. 2, 1.
Oh! We can count that. That was fine.
the most aggressive yeet and the least powerful ollie of all of them. Wait, how did he get so much pop off that? That fully counts. Made it down one.
Okay, well, Carlos can ollie it. I will ride down it.
He's just trying to get down the 5.
I'm just trying to roll away from the 5. What is that?
Good job.
Thank you. I'm tired.
Oh!
That's solid. Dude.
Well, Fetty, that held up a lot better than we thought.
Yeah, these are way better than the other skis.
Yeah, so maybe we should actually get some bindings and then put our boots in here and then skate them with the, you know what I mean?
No.
Okay, all right.
I don't want to.
All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. That was a lot of fun, as always, so please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And if you want to learn how to skate, you can go to brailleskateboarding.com to get skateboarding made simple. You can do it, and we're here to help you. So we'll see you next time in tomorrow's video.
Skateboarding made a yeet.
Dolphin flip.